Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your ticket is active in the official transit app or mobile wallet. This is crucial because expired or unsynced passes will be rejected. Open the app now, unlock your screen, and navigate to the QR ticket screen. Do not switch apps. Once displayed, make sure the code is large and centered. Brightness turned up helps scanners read faster. If you're offline, use the app's cached ticket mode so the QR remains valid when you reach the gate. You walk up to the turnstile and position yourself so the gate scanner is easy to access. This reduces delays for others. Once in front, hold the phone vertically with the QR centered on screen and keep a 15 to 30 centimeter gap from the scanner. Too close or too far prevents reading. Make sure there's no screen protector glare or wet fingerprints. If asked, slow your approach and present the code until the green light or beep confirms entry. Move through promptly. You should hear the beep or see a green light. Once you do, walk through the gate within a few seconds to avoid retiming out. If the scanner rejects the QR, stay calm and try simple fixes. Increase screen brightness, close and reopen the ticket, or toggle airplane mode to force a local cache read. If that fails, show a screenshot or ask the attendant to scan your code directly. These steps resolve most common errors and keep your trip moving smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.